40 times 100 was 4,000. 4,000. On top of it. Inside the black. Oh, these are these theirs too? On top of this?
No, that,
Is that
unless she
included
just
in the
took
pot?
more. Unless she
Oh,
took
these
more.
are these? Because it's higher charge.
Yeah, it's 7,000 total, but I probably she might have took more. Because when we did the audit, it was only 1,500.
When we did the audit, it was only 1,500. Well,
So she must have took more.
We'll ask her.
My one last time I went to the cash in the account. So,
Ma'am, is your ID in your wallet?
no ID.
You don't have an ID?
Yeah.
Alright, what's your first name? Tell me spelling S-A-A-H. What's your last name? Sorry, say it again. How you spell that? B-Y-S-S.
This girl done lost her damn mind. Taking all that damn money out the cash register at her job. Now, she should have known they was gonna catch that. All them hundreds. And the heading say she took over $150,000. Girl, is you crazy? That's robbery, I believe. Your butt finna go to jail. And you gonna get some time. You done robbed them folks. I mean, you trying to take all the money from the store. What did you think was gonna happen, young lady? Don't make no sense. I know times is hard, but you have to use your head. Because if you don't try to save yourself, won't nobody try to save you. Don't nobody care about you going to jail but you. Now, I know times is hard and the baby may need milk and shoe and food and clothing and your bills need to be paid, but you was working. You continue to work and make that money the legal way. You don't go to work and try to steal the money from the job. You had to have known they was gonna miss that money. You done got busted with $4,000 in your pocket, in your purse. Yeah, I know. Times is getting hard. You know, people is doing unpredictable things, but I hope it get better for some. But baby girl, you gonna have to face the music. You done robbed them folks, so you gonna have to face the music. Hopefully, if you do have kids, you have someone to take care of your kid while your butt finna do some time. And you done lost your job, so, and with that theft on your record, it's gonna be hard to find another job. But that was dumb as hell to try to steal all that money and think them folks wasn't gonna miss it. Times is hard for them too. And they counting every penny. Everybody's counting every penny right now in this economy. So if you stealing from folks, they gonna figure that shit out quick. But good luck going to court, and I hope they don't send your ass to jail too long.